Our merch team always looking brand new year to bring you brand new stuff. So that same idea of portability, same brand story, our brand, bringing you now a collapsible laundry hamper. And it'll go where you need to go. It's on wheels. Great idea.
Great idea. I love this. So think of this. It has a 35-pound weight capacity. So it's extremely durable. You're getting that Oxford canvas, which if you've had any of our Cella items you're already familiar with. This is that gorgeous graphite. And then, of course, you get the cream. But I love that it is collapsible. Easy to put together. All you simply have to do is lift those locking sides, and it does collapse. So simply slide these all over.
Okay.
And
I'm not seeing the collapsible part of it.
No, I'm sorry.
No, okay, but that's cool.
Do you understand?
No, yeah,
okay.
I get it.
So you're simply going to rotate those, and then you're going to lock them back down.
What attracts me is the quality of this material.
Yes.
Like it seems really thick.
It's extremely
really
thick.
durable.
That's that
The
Oxford
stuff isn't going to pop
canvas.
through.
Exactly. That's that Oxford canvas that keeps it nice and easy to keep clean. But I also love that it is, obviously, you could put that in the washing machine. Just simply unhook and loop the sides, and then it will remove fully, and you can pop this in the washing machine to keep it nice and clean, and then just press it right back over and it stays in place.
Yeah. You're living on one floor, and you're not lifting stuff the way you used to lift. So now all those towels go from the bathroom or wherever you keep your dirty towels and dirty laundry, right? And now you just roll them over right to the washing machine.
That's right, right to
the
washing machine, absolutely. So again, going from room to room, picking up all those dirty clothes, taking them to the laundry room. Maybe it's the wet clothes, if it's the towels, if it's all of the, even if you want to keep this in your garage and have the kids just kind of put all their nasty, dirty sweats and their sports clothes in here, you can do that.
That's actually not a bad idea.
And then take this upstairs, so then that way, exactly, keep the mess in the garage.
Keep the mess in the garage. It's V85410. So two colors to choose from. One is called the cream, so it's an off-white, and the gray is called the graphite. So we gave it fancy names, but it's the off-white and the gray. It's called graphite and then cream. So specs on this: 18 by 23 inches tall, 18 by 18, holds 35 pounds.
35 pounds, yeah, so all those wet clothes. But also I want you to think outside the box here a little bit. I know we call this the laundry hamper, but think about it for like the kids' clothes. Where are they putting their clothes? Where are they putting, or excuse me, their stuffies and their toys? So some of those other items that are not just for clothes, it could be where they go and clean up all the toys at the end of the day, and then they wheel it around the room, put the toys in there, and then push it right to the corner so it's out of the way from traffic. But I do absolutely love this because it goes with all of our other Cella items, especially that cream. You've seen that a lot in our white lemon colors. And then it's that Oxford canvas that's extremely durable.
So when do you say this, what does that mean, Oxford canvas?
It's really thick and durable, so it's not something that's going to easily tear. It's not going to fray or shred on you.
Yeah.
So it's really,
I like
really
that
thick.
a lot,
It's
actually.
easy to keep clean.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's very, it is like a canvas bag.
And then you get that steel frame right there all the way around on the bottom and the side, so that's what gives you that extra stability. While you have it there, Rick, you get obviously 4 casters. 2 of them are locking, so again, it stays in place where it needs to.
What's the prep on this one when I get it? How was the assembly?
You're just simply going to put the wheels on. That's it.
That's it.
That is it.
Boom. So gave you the height, gave you what it is, gave you where it's going to go, and I love caster wheels because there's no right way or wrong way. It's not like the old shopping carts where they're always wrong, right? You're always moving in the direction you don't want to go.
Absolutely.
So this is really easy, really durable. In the age of possibilities, right? You don't want to lift stuff as much. You want the thing to do the work for you, and that's what you're getting here.
Well, absolutely. And if you've ever been in the marketplace and you've looked for something like this, you've seen something very, very similar for twice the cost of this. But what we love is even if you picked up one of each color, and then that way you know that's for lights and this is for the dark colors. So then kind of teach your kids how to do laundry as well. Great in the dorm room. So rather than, having the kids kind of haul that big heavy bag, through the dorm, do this instead. It's just so much easier.
Yeah, so there's a little education here. Your kids have not moved out yet?
No.
Yeah, my kids have moved out. And you know when they come home? When it's time to do the laundry. Yeah, so we have not, whatever we're teaching them how to do the laundry, they've not exactly picked all that up yet. But in the last minute, it's Cella, It's collapsible, easy to assemble. Put the caster wheels on.
Absolutely.
And last 30 seconds, all you.
Yeah,
Jen.
no, this is fantastic. So this really is that portable laundry hamper. If you're suffering with trying to, how am I going to get all the clothes from room to room to room, whether it be you're putting the dirty clothes in and then wheeling those from room to room right to the laundry room, or how are you going to put those clean clothes away? This might solve that problem for you. No more do you have to carry around a heavy hamper. This is nice and lightweight. It's that Oxford canvas, so it's nice and durable as well, and it just looks beautiful. 360-degree wheels that you're getting there, 2 of them locking and 2 free flow.
The 85410. The big, popular. Now, we showed you this at the start of the show.